considering na ilang buwan pa lamang siyang official member ng showbiz, ano, parang fish thrown into water itong si Maine. Parang natural na natural at parang nag-fit in siya very easily sa kanyang surroundings.
Oh, hello, Elise. I'm Victorina Jacinto. I was the one who recommended you to be here.
Pleasure to meet you po, Madam Victorina. Salamat po sa paunlak niyo po sa akin ngayon dito sa palasyo.
Magalang at matatas na bata. I like you already, Chef.
Considering napaka-busy ng schedule niya, magandang mag-handle ng lahat ng ito si Maine. Trooper siya, very patient at very humble, very unassuming.